Samsung's next-generation foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, are generating buzz as more details emerge. One significant development is Samsung's chipset strategy for these upcoming foldable devices. Earlier rumors suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 might adopt a dual-chip strategy similar to the Galaxy S series, potentially equipping these devices with an Exynos chip in certain markets and a Snapdragon SoC in others. However, a new report suggests otherwise. Anonymous sources cited by the Korean publication The Elect claim that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 will exclusively use a Qualcomm solution. Both phones are expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip worldwide. According to the report, Samsung's decision to use a single chip globally for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series is unrelated to any concerns about the performance or reliability of the Exynos 2400. Despite most consumers' preference for Qualcomm solutions due to the brand's reputation, Samsung's latest Exynos 2400 chip has significantly narrowed the gap with Qualcomm in real-world performance. The Galaxy S24 powered by the Exynos 2400 chip performs comparably to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant. Samsung's alleged decision to stick with Qualcomm's SoC globally for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series is driven by cost considerations rather than performance and reliability concerns. According to the Elect's sources, for Samsung's dual-chip strategy to be profitable, the company must sell a sufficient number of devices. Selling enough phones would offset the potential extra cost of developing devices on two different platforms, Exynos and Snapdragon. Despite increasing sales of Samsung foldable phones each year, a recent Korean media report suggests that they still may not be popular enough for a dual-chip strategy to be advantageous for Samsung. Consequently, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are expected to exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. What are your thoughts on Samsung's decision to use a single chip globally for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6? Let me know in the comments section.